93, 393. Exercise number 8.4. Example number 5 now 7. Okay, prove that sin theta to sin theta cos theta is equal to left hand side, that is written left hand side. Okay, now sin theta is common. So into bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta is it upon cos theta common. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 is common. Now either you will change cos or a sin. બેમાંથી એકને તમે બદલી કાઢો એટલે તમારો ન્યુમેરેટર ડિનોમિનેટર આ પાર્ટ્સ કેન્સલેશન્સ થશે. These both are same. Okay, so I will change this one. Sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into 2 into bracket 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, minus 1. Putting the value of cos square theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta into bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon 2 ones are 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1 sin theta upon cos theta into bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 sin square theta again एक बनने से is equal to tan theta is equal to right hand side. Get it? Now example number 8. Example number 8. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to sin A plus cos A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. જો તમે રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ ઉપર જોશો ને તો we require tan A and cot A. આપણે tan A ની cot A જોઈએ છે રાઈટ. એટલે આ cosec square A આવશે એમાંથી આપણે cot square મળશે, sec square A આવશે એમાંથી tan square A. First of all left hand side આપણે રાખી દઈએ sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sin A sec A sec A whole square right. આપણે A minus B or A plus B whole square A square plus 2AB plus B square sin square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cos square A plus cos square A plus 2 cos A sec A plus sec square A. Get it? Is equal to chalo પહેલા હું ગોઠવી દઉં sin square A plus 2 sin A cos A. Sin and cos are the inverse of each other. Sin A into cos A is equal to 1. So it is 2 plus cosec square A plus that is your first plus cosec square A plus 2 sec A into cos A is equal to 2 plus sec square A is equal to 2 plus 2 4 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cosec square A plus sec square A. Intentionally I have not put this. 4 plus 1 5 plus What is the value of cosec square A? See here, we require cot and tan. So I will convert this into the tan and cot form. આને cot અને tan ના ફોર્મમાં લગાડી દઈએ એટલે આપણો જવાબ આવી જાય 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A. So 5 plus 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A is equal to right hand side. I give cosec A minus sin A into bracket sec A minus cos A upon is equal to tan A plus cot A. We want to prove this one. So first of all, I give the simplifications of left hand side. Cos A sin A sec A cos A. I will convert into the SC form. Sin theta 1 upon sin A minus sin A upon 1 upon cos A minus cos A upon 1 is equal to sin A is your LCM 1 minus sin square A into bracket cos A is your LCM 1 minus cos square A. Now 1 minus sin square A is equal to what? Cos square A upon sin A multiplied by 1 minus cos square is equal to what? Sin A upon cos A. Cos A. Cos A, cos A, sin A, sin A. So your answer sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A. Now I have to simplify the right hand side. Right hand side is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A is equal to 1 upon sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon sin A. जो डिनोमिनेटर्स ના અંદર જ હું LCM લેઉં છું sin A cos A sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 upon 1 sin A cos A 1 upon, so it will be sin A into cos A is equal to result number 2 by 1 and 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, now example number 10, last example of this chapter. Then we will solve some practice book example. Actually practice books ની exercise મેં તમને PDF ફાઇલમાં મોકલી આપી. ઓકે, પ્રેક્ટિસ કરજો. થોડાક ઇલ્યુસ્ટ્રેશનના सम्स બી એના અંદર છે, તે પણ ટ્રાય ટુ યોરસેલ્ફ. ઓકે, ધેન થોડાક આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસ બુકમાં પણ જોશું. એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 10, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A whole square upon 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A is equal to tan square. એટલે બધાનું સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન આપશો એટલે tan square A જ આવશે. ઓકે, આ બંનેનું સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ I will take the left hand side 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot tan square A is equal to sec square A. cos x square a is equal to 1 upon cos square a upon 1 upon sin square a is equal to sin square a upon cos square a is equal to right hand side. Get it? Write it on right hand side. Then we will take the middle side. Middle side. 1 minus tan a whole square upon 1 minus cos a whole square is equal to 1 minus 2 tan a plus tan square a upon 1 minus 2 cot a plus cot square a. 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. ओके एससी में कन्वर्ट करिए आपने. ओके इज इक्वल से 1 माइनस एस अपॉन सी 1 माइनस सी अपॉन एस होल स्क्वायर होल अपॉन होल स्क्वायर ले लिया आपने थोड़ा पकड़ मारने. ओके 1 माइनस एस अपॉन सी 1 minus c upon s. c minus s whole square is most important thing. c minus s upon s minus c upon c upon s whole square. समझ पड़े છે કે રિપીટ કરું? એસસી માં તમને નહીં સમજ પડશે કેમ? ઓકે આઈ વિલ રિપીટ ઇટ. Don't worry about it. 1 minus sin a upon cos a whole upon 1 minus cos a upon sin a. LCM cos a minus sin a whole upon sin a minus cos a upon sin a. So this one is equal to cos a minus sin a whole square upon cos square a upon cos square a multiplied by sin square a upon sin a minus cos a whole square. Get it? समझ पड़ेगे? Now remember this one. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. And b minus a whole square is equal to b square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b whole square is equal to b minus a whole square. Cos a minus sin a whole square is equal to sin a minus cos square whole square. આ બંને તમારું ભૂલી ગયું એટલે sin square a upon cos square a is equal to tan square a is equal to right hand side. That is your middle side. That is your middle sides. Okay. Got it?